Assalamu alaikum my dear children. I am here with the 7th lesson's last part, that is around Delhi. But before getting started, let's have an immediate view over the previous video. In the previous video we have learned about the climate of Delhi. What is the climate of Delhi? It will be very hot in summer and very cool in winter. And why Delhi is an important place, we have learned about that also. Why it is important place? Why? Because it is a capital of India. And in Delhi there will be two sets of government. One is Delhi government, who will look after the needs of the Delhi people, and another is the central government, who will look after the needs of the whole nation, that is our India country. And also we have taken the city tour and we have gone through this Qutub Minar, the tall one, and the Arc of India gate. Now let's continue our discussion from here, that is old viceroy's new presidents. This is another famous place in Delhi to visit. At a short distance from the India gate is the magnificent Rashtrapati Bhavan. So the President of India lives here, and it has a famous Mughal gardens where beautiful flowers bloom in winter. So there is an Rashtrapati Bhavan. Where it is means it is at a short distance from the India gate. Okay, and our President of India will live in Rashtrapati Bhavan only. And it has a famous Mughal gardens also, where there will be beautiful flowers blooming there in winter season. Okay. So look at the picture here. It is the Rashtrapati Bhavan only. So it is a picture of Rashtrapati Bhavan. The next is modern metro for the old city. What is this? The wonderful metro rail connects New Delhi with the old city. So there is a metro rail here. This one. So this railway track, it will connect New Delhi with the old city. Okay, and the old market station of Chandni Chowk or Moonlight Square is one of the oldest streets of Delhi. So oldest streets of Delhi are nothing but this Chandni Chowk and Moonlight Square. Okay, it has old houses called Havelis and markets that sell all kinds of things, and in that there are old houses called Havelis, and in the market they will sell the different kinds of things. Okay, and Chandni Chowk is also known for its mouth-watering snacks, and Chandni Chowk is famous for its mouth-watering snacks, it seems. And the metro is indeed a fast and comfortable way of traveling from one place to another. Metro train is very fast, children. It is the fastest means of transportation, and also metro is a comfortable way of traveling from one place to another. Nowadays you can see the metro in Hyderabad city also, isn't it? Now let's continue our discussion from here. That is power of Red Fort. The Red Fort, a huge red sandstone fort, was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in the heart of the city many years ago. So where is Red Fort? It is in the heart of the city, and it was built by the Shah Jahan Emperor many years ago, and it will be red in color. Look at the picture here. Okay, so it will be red in color. It is made up of red sandstone. The next is the fort houses the Diwan-e-Am, a hall once studded with precious stones. So the fort houses the Diwan-e-Am means there is a hall called Diwan-e-Am. In that there are the precious stone. In that you can see the precious stone studded on it. Here the emperor met his people and tried to solve their problems. So the emperor, whenever he used to solve the problem, he used to sit in Diwan-e-Am and he used to solve the problems of the people. Okay, and Diwan-e-Khas was a hall for the royal guest. Diwan-e-Am was the hall for solving the people's problem, and Diwan-e-Khas was used to welcome the royal guest. Okay, and every Independence Day on 15th August, the Prime Minister raises the national flag from here. So on every 15th August, Independence Day, on this day what will happen means our Prime Minister, he will go there on the Red Fort, and he will raise the national flag from here only. So every 15th August this will happen. Next is prayer of Jama Masjid. Jama Masjid in Delhi is the largest mosque in India. So our Jama Masjid is the largest mosque in India, and it was built by whom? Of course, Shah Jahan. It was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in red sandstone and white marble. He used red sandstone and white marble to build this Jama Masjid. It is a grand place of worship where people have been praying for many years. So People since many years have been praying in this Jama Masjid. So it's a very good and beautiful sight to see, that beautiful monument to see. The next is Akshardham Temple. In East Delhi is the Akshardham Temple, a grand temple built in 2005. So this is the picture of Akshardham Temple. Where it is means it is in the East Delhi, and it was built in 2005. Year 2005. There are musical fountains and an artificial river in the temple compound. So if you visit Delhi, if you visit this Akshardham Temple, then you will come to know that there are musical fountains in that, and then there is an artificial river in the temple compound. On their way back home that day, Nisha had wondered aloud, our capital city holds so many surprises. So after visiting the Delhi city, Nisha wondered that our capital city, that is Delhi, it holds so many surprises. She felt very happy by visiting all these important places in Delhi. Now the time to check out the fact. Millie and Joy have yet another reason to be proud of the city. So Millie and Joy is having one more reason to be proud of their Delhi city. What is that means? Delhi was selected as a venue for the Commonwealth Games 2010. So Delhi was selected as a venue. Venue means place for something special to be happen. So it was selected as a venue for Commonwealth Games in 2010. Sports persons from all over the world came to participate in this major sports event. So sports person means people who are involved in sports are the sports person. Okay, so sports person from all over the world came to participate in this event, major event. Now let's check out the HOTS. What are HOTS, children? It is nothing but the higher order thinking skills. So let's enhance our thinking skills. Why is Delhi so hot in summer and so cold in winter? Take a look on the map of India and try to guess. Do you think it has something to do with its location near the Great Indian Desert on one side and the Himalayan mountains on the other? So why Delhi is very hot in summer and why it is very cool in winter means, now it's time to check the map. Look at the map here. Where is Delhi, children? Delhi is this one. Okay, and near to Delhi, what is there? Rajasthan. Okay, there is a Thar desert. So because of this Thar desert, the hot winds blowing from here in the summer, it will reach Delhi and it will make Delhi very hot. So this is the reason Delhi is very hot in summers. And why Delhi is very cool in winter? Because on the other side, Delhi is near to the Himachal Pradesh, this Himalayan mountains. We have learned in the 5th lesson about that, isn't it? So where are the Himalayan mountains? It is here only. So because of that, the cool winds will be blowing, so it will reach the Delhi, and this is the reason why Delhi is very hot in summer and very cool in winter. So it has something in connection with the location. Because of its location only it is facing these problems. Okay, so it is located here now, so it is near to Thar desert. That is the reason why summers will be very hot, and it is very close to the Himalayan mountains also. This is the reason why it is very cool in winter. Okay, so there is one more thing here, activity. What is the activity given here means, these are some other sightseeing spots in Delhi. Can you identify them? You can choose the names from those given in the help box. Put the correct letters in the boxes. So here 3 options are given. You have to choose the right answer and you have to choose the correct letters from the box. Okay, so the first one is, it is nothing but these children, Jantar Mantar. Okay, so it's a good sightseeing spot in Delhi. So answer is C. Next is, which one? This one is nothing but the Humayun's tomb. Okay, this is the Humayun's tomb, so it is also a good place to visit in Delhi. The next is the Baha'i temple. Okay, so answers are here, C, A and B. Now let's have a glance over the complete lesson. Delhi has very hot summers and very cold winters. Why? The reason we have seen just now only. The next is, Old Delhi and New Delhi are parts of an area known as the National Capital Territory. Okay, and Delhi is the capital of India. There are many old and new buildings and monuments in Delhi. We have seen that also. The metro trains are fast and comfortable means of moving from one place to another in Delhi. People in in Delhi speak different languages, eat different food and celebrate different festivals. But what is the one thing that is common in us? That is, we are Indians, isn't it? As an Indian, we are united. Okay, so this was our end of the 7th lesson, and we'll catch up in the next video with the new lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.